What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to design a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so for those who don't know what YouTube thumbnail help for, it helps you to get views. All right, YouTube thumbnail creates first impression. It's what your viewers will first of all to see before they will choose to watch your video. So learning how to create a YouTube thumbnail will be very helpful to everybody. All right, so to get started, let's dive right to my app store. Let me show you the applications we are going to be using for this video. So open up your app store or your play store. The application is right there. Okay, so when you open up your app store or play store, you search for Canva. All right, here is the application. So after you download the application, you open up the application. So after signing up, after you sign up with your Google account or with your email, you then will be taken to this section. All right, so to start with, what you need to do is to click on this plus icon from the bottom. Click on the plus icon, and then from here you need to select your YouTube thumbnail ratio, which is this one. All right, so click and select YouTube thumbnail ratio. All right, this will pop up. You can see a lot of suggested designs where you can choose your own preferred this is actually a template where you can choose a already made design to start editing from here. But in case you want to start designing from scratch, what you need to do is to just to drag down, and then you are taken to a blank space where you just need to start designing your own thumbnail from scratch if you want to. So I'll click on this box. So after it has selected, what I'm going to do is to click on color. All right, so when you tap on color, you can add your color from here. All right, so you click here, and then you can decide to go with solid color or you go with gradient color. So I'll go with gradients, and then I will go with this one. All right, so I want to change this color to yellow. Okay, let me change this color to red. So you can drag this side and then choose your colors. All right, so that's it. So after you have added that, you can click here to to get out, and then now you need to start putting on your write-ups. All right, so you can click here, and then you can see a text tab. So click on the text option, and then you click on add a text box now. Add a text box now. Okay, so when you click on it, you can just type something like for example, whatever you want to type. Okay, so after you have typed that, you can increase the size, then add it to wherever place you want to add it to. All right, and then from here you can select a font. So you just scroll around and choose a font. So after choosing your font, you click here and then scroll this side to select your color. All right, so I'll select my color from here, so I can just choose any color that I want. So you can actually add a background to this text. So if you want to add a background to the text, you scroll to this part and then click on effect. So if you click on effect, you go to this side and then click on this part which says background. So this is the background. You can click on these settings on the effect, and then you can reduce the spread. So the roundness, you can also reduce the roundness. All right, so transparency, if you want to change the transparency, you can actually drag from this side to change the transparency. Then the color, you can click here to add the color. You can make the color white, but for me, I will make the color black. It's about creativity. So after making the color black, you can go back to text color to change the text color from here. All right, so you can see the changes. So The next thing I'm going to do is to add another text. So you can click on the text section and then you click on add a text box. Okay, and then you add your text. All right, so after adding the text, you can drag it to the section you want it to be, and then you also add a background to it. So my background for this will be, okay, let's go down to effects. Like I said, you scroll to this part and then select background, and then you click on the settings and then choose the background color. I'll make it white, and then you go back, and from here we are going to the spread, we're going to reduce it, then the roundness reduce it too, and then you can actually, I think I'm done with that. So now you can drag it to wherever place you want to fix it. All right, so you can just drag it to wherever place you want to fix it. So if your design requires your picture, you can click on upload. You can see that from this side, uploads. All right, so after you click on the upload, you click on upload files, and then you click on photo library. So you have to now get to your library and then select the picture you want to use. Okay, but I already added my picture to this side after removing the background. I already added that, so I'll click on this one. So I'll be going with this. All right, so like I said, you can always drag it to anywhere you want to fix it. All right, so you can also use this nudge to increase the size, or sorry, to move it to where you want it to be. Okay, nudge. Okay, okay, I think my picture is actually at the back, so you can bring it to front. You select the picture, you can click on these three dots, and then you can see it says, okay, bring front. Okay, the picture is now at the front of all. It's now at the front. All right, so you just drag your picture to where you want it to fit in. All right, so after that, what else? Okay, let's just add a YouTube logo. So you can go to elements to select your logo. So go to elements, then search for YouTube logo, depending on what you want to use. This is just because of the video I want to make. Okay, it requires creativity. So after searching, it will show you a lot of results from here. So you click on see all. So from here, you're going to see the logo. You can see premium ones, you can see free ones. So you can select any one that you want to use. Okay, so I think I have to add another image. So I downloaded a Canva logo. So I'll click on upload. So like I said, you click on upload. After the upload, it will be added to this part. So you always choose the pictures from here. So I'll go with this one. Okay, let me take it to my back. I've showed you guys how to select that. If you click on the image you want to bring to back, you can click on it and then you click on this three dot icon, and then you can see send backward. All right, so that's it. So let's increase the size. Okay, so that's it. That's how to design a YouTube thumbnail. I don't know if this red background is all right, so let me check if the red background is okay for me. Let me click on the background, and then let's get to the settings of this background, and let's click on the red option. Is it okay like this? I think this one is okay. I think this one is better. All right, so that's how to design a YouTube thumbnail. All right, so if you have any question, you can drop that in the comment section for more explanation, so I can just add whatever I want to add. You can add whatever you want to add. So for me, this is just a tutorial, so it requires your creativity. Like I said, creativity. So be creative enough to design something that will attract viewers to your video. All right, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more persons to see. Okay guys, that is all for now, and then peace out.